Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about 5 foods that can heal your thyroid. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Hypothyroidism is a common health problem. The disease can cause symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, and feeling cold. Fortunately, eating the proper nutrients and taking medication can help reduce the symptoms of the disease and improve thyroid function. Following an appropriate thyroid diet can help reduce the symptoms of the disease and maintain a healthy weight. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you the 5 best foods for hypothyroidism. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland in front of the neck that produces and secretes the hormones T3 and T4 into the bloodstream. It also regulates the body's metabolic activities, such as heart rate and calorie burning. Still, hypothyroidism is when this gland does not produce enough of these hormones. As a result, the person feels tired and depressed. Using synthetic hormones can make you feel normal again. Eating certain foods and limiting the intake of some other foods can also help your thyroid work better. Following a proper diet helps not to use higher doses of synthetic hormones. You may not even need these types of hormones to control your thyroid function. Number 1. Iodine. Iodine is an essential mineral for the production of thyroid hormones. Therefore, people with iodine deficiency are at risk for hypothyroidism. Iodine deficiency is very common and affects about a third of the world's population. If you are iodine deficient, add iodized salt to your diet and eat seafood, fish, dairy, and eggs. And you do not need iodine supplements because you can get a lot of iodine from your diet. However, some studies have also shown that excessive iodine intake may lead to tuberculosis damage to the thyroid. Number 2. Selenium. Selenium helps activate thyroid hormones. As a result, the body uses these hormones. This essential mineral also has antioxidant properties, protecting the thyroid gland from damage by molecules called free radicals. Adding selenium-rich foods to your diet is a great way to increase your body's selenium levels. These foods include Brazil nuts, tuna, sardines, eggs, and white beans. However, avoid taking selenium supplements without a doctor's prescription. Supplements produce large doses, and large amounts of selenium may be toxic. Number 3. Zinc. Zinc, like selenium, helps activate thyroid hormones. Studies show that zinc can help regulate the levels of TSH. This hormone stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete thyroid hormone. Zinc deficiency is rare. However, if you have hypothyroidism, you should eat more zinc-rich foods such as seafood, beef, and chicken. Research shows that iodine, selenium, and zinc are especially beneficial for people with hypothyroidism. However, it is better not to take iodine and selenium supplements without a doctor's advice. Number 4. Brazilian nuts. Just 2 a day is enough. The exact amount of dose meets the need for selenium in a day. Selenium is a mineral that is highly concentrated in the thyroid gland and plays a significant role in producing thyroid hormones. This mineral also strengthens the power of antioxidants. It also reduces autoimmune problems and increases inflammation in the body. Selenium, with its antioxidant properties, eliminates inflammation. Number 5. White beans. 1 cup of cooked white beans contains 8 milligrams of iron. Iron is a mineral that many people, especially premenopausal women, cannot get enough of, but getting iron is very important. If you do not get enough iron, it will damage the enzymes that produce thyroid hormones. Women between the ages of 19 and 50 need 18 milligrams of iron a day. In comparison, men and women between the ages of 50 and 8 need 8 milligrams a day. 2 things are essential here. First, it is difficult for the body to absorb iron. Still, the absorption of iron-rich foods by adding vitamin C along with them is helpful. For example, you can eat white beans with sour lemon, and the second iron reduces the effect of hormone drugs. So, make sure you take your thyroid medication 4 hours before or after an iron-rich meal. The role of vitamins, minerals in hypothyroidism diet. Vitamin C is essential for tyrosine metabolism, amino acid and component of protein. Fruits are rich sources of vitamin C. Vitamin E is needed to metabolize selenium. Vitamin B is usually low in people with hypothyroidism, although it plays a vital role in cell metabolism. Whole grains, fish and seafood, eggs, dairy, and leafy vegetables are high in vitamins E and B. Sources of vitamin A include liver, eggs, green vegetables, oily fish, yellow and orange fruits. The more colorful the fruits, the more vitamins they have. Protein and fiber are good for reducing the symptoms of hypothyroidism. Protein is found in foods such as fish, beef, eggs, dairy, and vegetables. Good sources of fiber are found in leafy vegetables, green beans, and various fruits such as figs, apples, plums, citrus fruits, cereals, and nuts. However, fiber should not be consumed excessively in hypothyroidism because of hormone production. Avoid caffeinated beverages and sugars. Tyrosine is an essential amino acid for the production of thyroid hormones. Many thyroid drugs contain tyrosine. Tyrosine is found in fish, tuna, dairy products, yogurt and cheese, and some fruits such as bananas and avocados. There is no cure for hypothyroidism, but using the right thyroid program can help manage this problem. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.